Hey guys, in this one I'm showing you how to add custom music to Instagram Reels without copyright issues. So the simplest method is if you edit your videos in programs like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci, the easiest method is adding your own custom music track directly inside your video editor before importing it into Instagram. So pretty much just adding that audio track before you actually upload. Then guys, if you want to use original tracks, custom sound effects, or royalty-free background music without copyright strikes, you need to grab your audio from the legitimate royalty-free sources. So, for example, Meta has 100% free songs for Reels, provides thousands of free copyright-cleared tracks that you can use in the Meta Sound collection. So just go ahead and search for that. Also, services like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, or Premium Beat grant you commercial license to use their entire music library on social media. And also, guys, lastly, you can just go ahead and convert your account to a creator or personal profile. And then you will unlock these broader audio privileges, such as you can go to your profile, and then you can unlock these broader audio privileges. So that is it. Just try these out and enjoy the video.